Okay, what have we got?
Well, that's red, green, blue, red, a jump.
Okay.
This is 7 colour.
Oh, I like that.
This is 7 colour.
Oh.
Gradual.
Oh, I like that.
This is green and.
That's red and something.
This is green and blue. Yeah, okay, so that's RGB jump. I think you have to hold the buttons for about a second and a half.
All right. All right, I think our pool guy, I think our plaster guy is going to be shocked and amazed.
Well, he might not even notice. Don't forget right off.
Well, what I'm going to, oh yeah, I was going to say I would,
Okay, there's the red.
I'll turn it on while they're filling it.
There's the blue. It just doesn't look very bright at the moment.
No, no. Blue is the lightest.
There's yellow.
That's red and green.
Yeah, and yellow. That's cyan.
I like that one best.
That's purple.
Very good. Red and purple.
Wait a second.
How does it work in the waterproof case? You took it out of the case. It should work just the same.
Yeah, I can try. Hang on a second. I haven't got the weight. I haven't got the air extended.
Okay, well that will work from the patio.
Brightness control here as well.
Right. Okay.